dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 13, sounds. Sometimes you listen some sounds like a music, someone speaking softly when rusting of leaves. All these are sounds you like to listen many times. But some sounds are very irritating to you, like aeroplane sounds, vehicle sounds. All these sounds are produce unpleasant atmosphere. Now I am going to show some pictures that you might have heard quite times, like someone singing a song with a beautiful voice, chirping of birds, whispering noise when people talk with low voice, harsh whistling when traffic police uses its whistle, crackling sounds when a firework is burned, horn of a vehicle, a dog barking. All these sounds you listen many times. Some sounds are loud and are heard easily, while some others are very soft and cannot be heard unless we listen attentively. Okay, we like some sounds, on the other hand we get annoyed by some other sounds. कभी कभी हमें कुछ साउंड्स अच्छे लगते हैं, कुछ साउंड्स हमें सुनना पसंद नहीं करते हैं. तो चलिए आज उसी के बारे में हम थोड़ी सी जानकारी प्राप्त करते हैं. Now students, do some practicals at home. When a song is being played on a radio or a music system in the house, place your hand on its speaker. Then tell me, what do you feel? If put off the music, then again what do you feel now? Tell the difference between them. Take a rubber band and stretch it, and then see, poke the stretch band. Apart from the movement of the rubber band, what else did you notice there? સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, હવે તમારે થોડું શો ડસ્ટ ઓર મસ્ટર્ડ સીડ્સ તમારે લેવાના અને એને તબલા ઉપર મૂકવાના. સ્પ્રેડ સમ શો ડસ્ટ ઓર મસ્ટર્ડ સીડ્સ ઓન અ સેન્ડ ઓન ધ diaphragm of a tabla. Knock on the diaphragm lightly with a finger. What do you see? See, and what happens when the sound stops? You observe all these things? Yes. What happen here? When the objects that produce sound, that is the diaphragm of a speaker, the rubber band, the diaphragm of a tabla, show a certain movement. आप उसमें कुछ मूवमेंट देख सकते हो कि वो आप जब भी रबर बैंड को खींचते हो या फिर आप तबला पे साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हो, तो क्या होता है वहाँ पे स्पीकर पे जब भी साउंड होता है तो क्या होता है, जब भी आप उसके ऊपर हाथ रखते हो तो that is, they have a certain kind of motion, they oscillate rapidly, in other words they vibrate. The vibration of an object is necessary for the production of sound. That means the object due to which sound is produced is called the source of that sounds. Now let's do one practical also here. Take a pot filled with water. Strike it lightly on its rim and then observe. What do you see there? Okay. Now second practical is your take two balloons, fill air in one and water in the other. Okay. Press the balloon filled with air against your ear as shown in the picture. Rub a finger on the balloon and listen to the sound. Repeat the same activity with the balloon filled with water. Then observe what you feel there. Through which balloon do you hear a clear sound? Okay. Cool. You are doing this activity also many times. Stand at the end of a big table and make a friend stand at the other end. Ask the friend, to knock lightly on the table. You will hear a faint sound. Now press your ear to the table and ask the friend to repeat this knock. What difference do you notice? From all these practicals, you notice or you observe that the sound travels in the form of the waves through air, water, or through a solid or and reaches our ears. Sound is propagated more clearly through a liquid than through air. It is heard most clearly through a solid. So the medium of propagation of sound, it's depend on that's transmission, air, and the other mediums. Now, the vibration of our vocal cords in our larynx or voice box also produces sound. Voice box is located in our throat. The quality of the sound produced in the larynx depends upon the tautness of the vocal cords. Observe the picture, and this sounds is a pleasant or not. Uh, okay, so tell me which sound is good for you. Now this pitch in this picture also make a list of all sounds implied in the picture. How would this atmosphere affect a person who is not feeling well? And the third question is your, would you be able to study in these conditions? You have to write all the answers in your notebook. This is your homework, students. So you have to write this homework in your notebook and give the answers of all questions. Observe the picture and write the answer. Now finish your homework. Okay, bye.